Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight, and today we're in the lovely Protaras, and I'm going to go and see the Chrystalla Hotel. There it is, the beautiful Chrystalla Hotel, guys. There's the original hotel, and there is an extension, believe it or not, and you can't really tell where the extension is because it's all finished, guys. You can see these lovely big balconies and these amazing glass fronts on the balconies, and as we go round you can see it's all been painted. The whole building's been painted and it really looks spectacular. Look at this. Wow, how clean is that? Now we can't go across this bit because they've just finished relaying this surface and it really looks spectacular. I love those pebbles. Oh, I was wondering what they're going to do with the statues. They're in the car park. Oh, I'm glad they didn't get rid of those. Right, let's go and have a look, see what else is going on around the area. So there's the brand new pool, guys, and they're just filling it up. Doesn't that look amazing? What a beautiful pool. And it's also got a jacuzzi as well, right at the far end. Oh, one moment, it's got a jacuzzi on this side as well. Look at that. Is it a jacuzzi or is it a relaxation area? Not too sure, guys. Oh, mind the posts. Yeah, there's always posts around. I've got, oh, brand new posts, guys. Oh, I was talking and just looking at the main pool. Doesn't that look amazing? Look, it's all been cleaned and they're refilling it with beautiful fresh water. New surface all the way around the swimming pool, guys. Look at that, all brand new tiles all the way around the swimming pool area. We've got a brand new bar. There's a brand new pool bar, and doesn't that look wonderful? There we are. They've just covered it in plastic, guys. Just finished that, and look at the extension, all finished. How about that? Doesn't that look wonderful? That's the staircase, and you can barely tell where the extension is and the main building, the old main building. There's the building over there, and this is the extension. So all finished, guys. New windows down here, everything's been whitewashed. We've got a brand new lift here, look, and they've just finished that, guys. Look, the big tiles have gone in, so that's finished. Looks like the cleaners will be in tomorrow. It is Sunday today, and I do believe tomorrow the cleaners will be in cleaning the place up, guys, getting rid of the last bit of debris around. But it is looking fantastic. Even the gardeners have been in, guys, and they've put new conifers all around the new pool area. So look at this. Although they've got a big extension, guys, there's still lots and lots of room around the pool to enjoy. Look round there where the crew is. It's massive over there. So lots and lots of room to enjoy the sunshine, guys, and of course a brand new swimming pool and a brand new jacuzzi. What a great idea. They really have done a fabulous job here, guys. There's the kids' pool. So guys, it looks like there's cleaning materials all the way round. Looks like they're definitely gonna have the cleaners in the next couple of days. I think they've cleaned those balconies because they really look sparkling. So you can just see in the rooms, guys, they've all plastered up, all done. You can see the vents for the air conditioning, so they're all done. And there's the original building, and there's the extension. Well, if you were here a month ago, you wouldn't think they're finished, but they have, guys. And I said that, didn't I? I said that they always seem to finish on time. You think there's a great big building site, oh no, they're not going to finish, but no, this proves my point. So there we are, guys, the brand new Chrystalla Hotel, really looking fabulous. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.